Welcome to today's edition of ISM's Quick Tips podcast series. I'm Peter Allen, Senior Field Adviser for Independent School Management, a consulting, insurance, publishing, and software firm serving the needs of private independent schools throughout North America. Today's topic is student accidents. Despite a school's best efforts, accidents can and do occur. It's just a fact of life in running a school, unfortunately. The good news is there are ways for private independent school administrators to protect students and families, as well as their own peace of mind. Combining risk management and a robust student accident insurance program can both reduce the risk of an accident occurring and the cost of care when an accident occurs, as they will, even with the best of prevention protocols in place. We recommend that schools make student accident insurance mandatory for all students for several reasons. Reason number one, students have accidents. No matter how safe your facilities and practices are, students will get hurt. Based on national statistics, every year, 1 in 14 students suffers an injury at school that requires medical attention. Most often, injuries will happen on the playground, the athletic field, or the gym. With student accident coverage, you and your families have peace of mind knowing that if an accident does happen, you can focus on the child, not the medical bill. Reason number two, students aren't always covered by health insurance. With job hopping, self-employment, right-sizing, downsizing, and trends towards entrepreneurialism, many parents, even wealthy ones, can find themselves and their families with gaps in coverage or no insurance at all. Even for families with insurance, co-pays and high deductibles can significantly increase out-of-pocket costs. Neither you nor they can afford to rely on the assumption that all of your students are fully covered by parental plans. Reason number three, coverage is inexpensive. Under ISM's plan, school year student accident coverage starts at just 7 cents a day per student. Doing the math, this means that you can protect all of your students for as little as $6 per student per school year. Reason number four, being uninsured can be very expensive. When an accident happens at school, parents often hold the school responsible. If your school opts to self-insure and pay medical expenses out of operating funds, it sets a precedent. And if your school pays nothing, it may face at best an unhappy parent, or worst case, a lawsuit creating a lose-lose situation for everyone. In addition, relying solely on general liability policy may be a costly mistake. Your school's policy, like many, may cap or limit the amount paid per accident, and most GL policies now exclude coverage for student accidents. Reason number five, it's all about culture. Maintaining the trust of students and parents is critical to the long-term success of your school, as you know. By putting mandatory student accident insurance in place, you're showing your families and your prospective families that your school will take care of them in the event of an injury. It's hard enough for parents to manage with an injured child, and harder when they have to manage the bill. Your parents will appreciate knowing that if something happens to their child, they are covered. As a brief note, if you're wondering, is this coverage really necessary? ISM Student Accident Insurance Plan paid out over $500,000 in student accident claims last year alone that would not have been covered otherwise. We're part of Independent School Management, and for over 30 years we've been committed to the vitality of private independent schools. We offer schools that work with us for their student accident needs a monthly general risk management e-letter subscription as well as a quarterly newsletter focusing specifically on student accidents and playground safety. Thanks for joining us for today's Quick Tips podcast series from ISM. I hope that this information has been helpful to you. If you have any questions about student accident insurance or any other aspects of insurance and employee benefits plans, please feel free to contact me at peter@isminc.com. I look forward to speaking with you soon. You can also contact the ISM home office at area code 302-656-4944 or online at www.isminc.com.